घर का खाना हो या midnight snack cravings, groceries now arrive in just 15 minutes. And now powering that comfort is Big Basket, the grocery giant backed by Tata Group. Launched in 2011 from Bangalore, it's now available in over 450 cities, serving more than 40 million customers with over 50,000 products. What sets it apart? Its ability to serve both instant and planned needs. BB Now for 15 to 30 minutes delivery, BB Standard for scheduled delivery. Backed by Tata and powered by tech, warehouse, cold chains and last mile delivery, Big Basket is gearing up for its IPO moment. Now, let's talk about the industry. India's e-commerce sector is booming and the grocery is becoming next big frontier. Valued at 10.8 lakh crore in financial year 2024, this market is projected to nearly triple to 29.9 lakh crore by financial year 30. Yet only 5 to 6% of the India's retail currently happens online, meaning real surge is yet to come. With digital adoption accelerating post-COVID and young base of tech-savvy consumers, online retail is expected to surpass $160 billion by 2028. And as organized retail grows, online share could jump from 25% to 37%. And for players like Big Basket, this isn't just growth, it's a revolution in how India shops. Let's talk about their financial status. Big Basket is showing solid growth momentum. We can see revenue jump from 8,561 crore in financial year 2022 to over 10,000 crore in financial year 2024. That's an 18% rise in just 2 years. Impressive for D2C grocery brands. Wondering about profitability? It's still negative but improving. EBITDA loss narrowed from 1,332 crore to 949 crore. And we can see that operating margins bounced back from negative 83% to negative 9.8%. We can see not everything is perfect. Inventory turnover dipped from 15x to 12x, and days of inventory rose to 30 days, hitting at lower stock momentum. Liquidity is healthy with a 2x current ratio, but here's the catch. Debt to equity jumped sharply from 0.09 to 1.8, likely for expansion. Now,
ROE remains negative at 1.61%.
But these are typical growth phase losses. With Tata's backing, rising revenue and better margin, Big Basket is clearly moving in the right direction. Now, looking at their market segmentation. आज के ऑनलाइन ग्रोसरी मार्केट में काफी टफ कंपटीशन है और ये चार्ट क्लियरली दिखाता है कि स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट ने अभी भी सबसे ज्यादा मार्केट शेयर पर है, which is 34%, followed by Blinkit at 22%. Big Basket का मार्केट शेयर सिर्फ 13% है, which is lower than Zepto's at 18%. Even though Big Basket is one of the oldest player in the game, we can clearly see Big Basket के लिए competition काफी aggressive हो चुका है, especially with quick commerce players taking the lead. IPO के पहले market share grow करना उनके लिए critical बन चुका है. Now, let's see what is the growth potential. India's online grocery space is bouncing, but it forms 5 to 6% of total retail. And Big Basket see it as a runway for explosive growth. With Tata Digital holding a 64% stake, Big Basket is scaling smart, targeting $3 billion in revenue by financial year 2026 and eyeing profitability. From lightning fast BB Now deliveries to seamless Tata New integration, it's redefining how grocery retail is there. And yes, the IPO could hit the market within the next 12 to 24 months. Let's summarize it. Yes, it is still pre-IPO and not without challenges, but the potential is hard to ignore. If you are eyeing India's retail transformation, Big Basket is one to watch. You can even explore investing in it in the unlisted market via sharescard.com. However, remember, always conduct your research before investing and remain vigilant to the market risks. Now, what do you think about Big Basket's journey and future plan? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more stories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.